You can fully integrate your measurement tasks in the manufacturing process. This is done by defining the measurement processes in the Tevis Job Manager during NC programming. The result is a complete NC program including turning, milling, and measurement operations. In this way, you can automatically check the correct clamping setup and the dimensions of the blank before machining. If these are within tolerances, manufacturing can begin. You can use additional measurement tasks during machining to ensure that everything is proceeding correctly and completely. You can also check points, circles, angles, rectangles, ribs, and slots. Because the NC program, including all machining operations and measurement paths, can be checked for collisions using the digital twins of your equipment. This process is equally suitable for unattended night and weekend shifts. If all measurement results are okay, the next machining step can be started or the part can be removed from the setup.